In this video, we are going to see how we can fix this error. The license manager is not functioning or is improperly installed. Revit will shut down now. So if you're getting this error in Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8 or whatever, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to the start menu and right here, services, hit enter and search for Autodesk. All the services are arranged in the alphabetical sequence, so you should have no problem finding it. So I don't have this right now, but you will have Autodesk service. Just double click on that and under the Autodesk or ADSK licensing service, just make sure that you set it to automatic. Click on apply and make sure to click on start if it is stopped. But you need to do all of this in ADSK licensing services or Autodesk licensing service. Just remember that. We just double click again and also click on log on and make sure you set it to local system account instead of this account. And also allow the service to interact with desktop. Click apply and OK. And finally, you want to restart the services altogether, Autodesk services, and make sure it is running at the end. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.